Hello, my name's Keith, and this is the third in our fourth of video tools that we kind of need to use for, sales, business, all these kinds of things. Now, this one is for screen sharing, not conference, just screen sharing if you want to talk something through. Granted, this is mostly for like customer support or going through some stuff, but as a salesperson, we use this quite a lot. If I'm trying to make a sale and I'm selling software, SaaS software, as we all know, is what I do, and the client is having a problem, I just say, look, let me see your screen, let me see what's going on, I'll try and solve it. And that little bit of aftercare really secures the sale. If we fuck it up, what's going to happen? We're going to lose the sale. They're just going to call us, nah, I want my money back, it's all over. So AnyDesk, you use quite a few of them, but I'm just going to say AnyDesk is the one to use. Again, free version. We click on, how do I press this? Back to our tools. So there it is, AnyDesk. Click it on down there. You install this app. They install this app. They are going to have a phone number just like this. What is it, an IP or number or some such something? We type it in, 1111 blah 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 blah. Press connect, and boom, they press authorize, and you see and control their screen with them, and that's it. I mean, there's nothing more to it. Hi, I'm back. AnyDesk, the simplest, free, easy way to share your screen or control your screen or control their screen. AnyDesk, link below. Thank you. And this is me, Keith, third of our video tools. I help early stage entrepreneurs get customers by showing them how the best in the world do it.